Turmeric for skin whitening, 6 miraculous benefits. Turmeric is a staple spice on every Indian table, has a special place in Indian weddings, and is gaining global acclaim. It is one of the essential skin whitening ingredients cited in Ayurveda. It reduces dark patches and imparts glossy skin. In fact, it's one of the most prevalent spices in India and throughout Southeast Asia. Although turmeric is often associated with food, it has been a beauty agent for centuries. Its bright yellow color comes from curcumin, an active ingredient found in turmeric roots that delivers powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties when consumed or applied topically to the skin. How turmeric whitens your skin naturally. 6 miraculous benefits. 1. Pigmentation of allay. Generally, pigmentation is the darkening of the skin due to the buildup of melanin, which is produced when the body has more pigment than it needs to protect itself from the sun's ultraviolet rays. The most common reason for pigmentation is sun damage, which causes a reduction in melanin levels and contributes to skin aging. Another factor that causes pigmentation is hormones, particularly during puberty and pregnancy, when estrogen levels increase dramatically. Genetic factors also contribute to increased pigmentation, as do certain medications, such as beta blockers or hormone replacement therapy, HRT. 2. Protects against free radicals. Free radicals in various forms cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress further results in the formation of wrinkles and premature aging, leading to a reduction in skin collagen. Did you know that turmeric is actually a powerful antioxidant? Not only does it have the mastery to fight free radical damage, but it also contains vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is an essential antioxidant agent that helps your body absorb iron and produce collagen. Adding turmeric to your diet will help with wrinkles, skin elasticity, and overall health. 3. An excellent exfoliator. Turmeric is an excellent exfoliator for the skin. Since it is a natural anti-inflammatory, it also has the added benefit of reducing redness and irritation while using it. 4. It hydrates your skin. Turmeric milk is a great way to hydrate your skin. Unlike many other skin whitening products, it has no side effects and can be made at home. Boil turmeric for 20 minutes or until the water turns golden yellow. Then strain, add honey or sugar, optional, and drink warm milk before bedtime. 5. Improved blood circulation results in skin whitening. Turmeric is also suitable for improving blood circulation, yielding fresh and glowing skin, and making your skin white. This means it can help reduce swelling, pain, and inflammation. And since it's a potent anti-inflammatory agent, turmeric can also help to fade the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Turmeric, which is high in antioxidants and polyphenols, has been shown to be beneficial to the skin in a variety of ways. 6. It relieves inflammation-linked skin conditions. The turmeric root has incredible, well-deserved hype, so don't hesitate to try it. As you can see, turmeric can work wonders for your health and spice up your daily skincare routines. Having anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects that help fix inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema, turmeric may even inhibit the movement of PHK, a psoriasis-linked protein. Turmeric contains curcumin, a robust anti-inflammatory agent that can help people with rosacea. This makes the spice an excellent choice for keeping your skin healthy and whitening. How to use turmeric for skin whitening. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon wild turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Potato juice. For fresh juice, peel and grate 1 potato. Squeeze the potato to obtain fresh juice. Directions: Firstly, mix gram flour and curd in a bowl to make a thick paste. Now add aloe gel and mix again. Pour the potato juice into the paste you've made. Press half a lemon into it. Whisk it well. Add a teaspoon of cosmetic turmeric powder. Blend well. The paste is ready for application. You can use it on your face, toned skin, uneven body parts, or your entire body on a daily basis. You'll experience instant results within a week. Thank you for choosing this video. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your viewership.